Welcome all of you to the session on how to make money in trading. Today in this session, you're going to learn how to make money in trading in a matter of just 1 to 3 easy steps. And you will also learn how to master futures and options trading in just 7 minutes. Now, having said that, I also know that when I make these statements, there are some of you who will laugh at it, some of you will rubbish it. But all I would like to tell you here is just go through the session. Maybe at the end of the session, you may have to revise your opinion. And at the same time, I request all of you to make sure that you forget everything about trading that you have learned till date. Look at the session as a beginner. The more you look at the session as a beginner, the faster you achieve the end results. So when I'm talking about end results, there is only one end result that we are all working towards here, and that is to make money, isn't it? But in order to make money in trading, there are only two things that one can do, and that is buying and selling. But there are people who have spent years of their life trying to do research and analysis, trying to understand one little secret, and that is the right entry and right exit. Of course, if you want to succeed in trading, the only thing that you have to learn here is the right entry and right exit, that is when to buy and when to sell. But these are the people who have spent years of their life trying to do research and analysis, and they are still doing research and analysis. So today you people are here to decide whether you want to spend your time and life on doing research and analysis, or whether you want to spend your time earning money. If you have decided to spend your time earning money, then you are at the right place, because from here on you don't have to worry about the right entry and right exit, because dynamic superpower traders are introducing a revolutionary invention. We call it the dynamic live. It is the first ever stock market intelligence of the world, called the dynamic method. Now, what is so very intelligent about this? The intelligence here is that this dynamic live automatically identifies the right entry and right exit for you. So today you don't have to waste your time doing research and analysis. Right away you can start trading and start making money. But then you know that market conditions keep changing, and in these changing market conditions, for you to get the right entry and right exit, there are some very unique intelligence at work in dynamic live. So these are all some of the major intelligence. Like we have the wait and act intelligence. Now, right entry and right exit is very, very important. When to buy and when to sell, to know that, it is very, very important. But then at the same time, when not to enter, when not to exit is also equally very important. And today this wait and act intelligence will automatically identify and tell you when not to enter into a trade. And then we have the zigzag caution intelligence. Now you know that whenever the price moves up and down, these zigzag caution intelligence will identify all the temporary price reversals. So when the price is increasing, and if you come across a zigzag symbol at the top, or when the price is decreasing, if you come across a zigzag symbol at the bottom, it means the price is about to reverse, so that you can exit your trades very early with maximum profits. And then we have these sideways caution intelligence. Now you know that price always does not move in an uptrend or in a downtrend. It also moves in sideways. Now there is one phase where majority of traders incur a series of minus trades, just because they are simply not able to understand which direction the price is about to move, and they don't know that. Excuse me. And they don't know that it is in sideways. But today, Dynamic Live is the one and only platform in the whole world which can automatically identify the sideways movement for you. Not only that, it goes one step forward by identifying sideways movement before it starts. And then we have these, dynamic system cautions and DMBOTS here. Now, whenever there is a major movement in the market, before any major movement, right at the top or right at the bottom, these dynamic system caution symbols will appear, telling you that the price is about to reverse. So when you know that, you will be able to exit your trades very early with maximum profits. And not only that, you'll also be able to take the opposite trade very early in order to capture the big movement. So these are all the benefits. So let us have a look today at these intelligence at work in the real-time market and dynamic live to understand how you can benefit from it. Now, as you can see here, there is this action information. Now it is very clearly written here as sell signal, wait and sell. So earlier, a few days back, when the price started coming down, it was very clearly written here as sell signal, wait and sell. It means sell signal has come, but please wait, don't sell this. And after that, what has happened is the price has kept on moving up and down, right? So there's a benefit here. But then if it is a clear sell, clear point to sell, then it will be very clearly written as sell short, act now. It means sell signal has come, take a short position, act now. Similarly, when the price increases, it will be written as buy signal, buy long, act now. It means buy signal has come, please take a long position, act now. Or if it feels that this is a trap, the price may not move up, then it will be written as buy signal, wait and buy. So when you read it very easily, you will be able to understand whether you are supposed to do this trade or not to do this trade. And then we have this reason. In the reason, you can see here, it is now very clearly written as sideways nearing sign. So we are looking at Bank Nifty, and for Bank Nifty, it is telling us sideways nearing sign. It means sideways is near. Any moment the sideways may start. Be ready. It is preparing us in advance. Later it will tell us sideways start sign. So when it says sideways start sign, it means sideways has started. So whatever trade that you have taken, you can exit it fast with minimum profit. Or the other best thing that you can do is you can stop trading the script, go trade some other script which is not in sideways. Later, once it tells you sideways end sign, then you can get back and start trading the same script. So these are all the benefits that you can get from it. And then we have these zigzag caution intelligence. You can see here. Now earlier, a few days back, when the price started decreasing, right at the bottom, the zigzag caution appeared, telling us that the price is about to reverse, and from there the price reversed in a big way. And right at the top, even there, here there is a zigzag symbol. So this is how the zigzag caution works. And then we also have the dynamic system cautions. You can see here. Before any major movement, right on top or right at the bottom, these dynamic system caution symbols will appear, telling you that the price is about to reverse. But then today you don't have to worry, because your job is not to follow all these intelligence. Your job is to just follow only this Dowmantic method level 2. And in this Dowmantic method, you are supposed to check only the action information. So when the price is increasing and if it is a good point to buy, then it will be very clearly written here as buy call option now. Or if it is decreasing like yesterday, here at this point, it was very clearly written as buy put option now. For the first time ever in the whole world, when it comes to trading in options, Dynamic Live is the one and only platform which can automatically tell you how to trade in options, when to trade in options, and what to trade in options. Right? So these are all the benefits here. And when it tells you to buy a call option or a put option, it also tells you how long to hold it. And at some point, it will be very clearly written as exit call option now or exit put option now. So when to exit, when to enter, complete information will be told by this action. So you don't have to worry, just blindly follow it. But whenever it tells you to buy a call option or a put option, there's one more important thing that you have to learn, and that is to select the right strike price. But today you don't have to worry, even the right strike price are automatically selected by this Dynamic Live. So whenever it tells you to buy a call option, you can come look at this pyramid pointing upward, pick one number out of these three. Similarly, when it tells you to buy a put option, you can look at this pyramid pointing downward, pick one number out of these three, that is your right strike price. But then when I'm saying all these things, some of you may be thinking now, do I have to, I'm a beginner, I don't know what is options, what is futures in the first place. Will I be able to learn all these things? How many days will it take for me to learn? Will I be able to make money? Now, a lot many questions must be running in your mind. Now, let me tell you, as I promised in the beginning of the session, you're going to master futures and options trading today in a matter of just 7 minutes. Now, how to do that? It's very easy. All that you have to do is just come and look at this action information. Whatever is written here, just read it. Now it is written as hold put option. But let us say at this point it was, as it was written buy put option now. Let's assume that now it is written as buy put option now. So just read it. Your job is to just read it and read it loud. And before you read it, you must know which script you're trading. So this is Bank Nifty. So read it as Bank Nifty buy put option now. And when it comes to trading in options, I also told you that you have to select the right strike price. So let's say you selected the strike price, 20,000 strike price. So read it as Bank Nifty buy put option now 20,000 strike price. Will you be able to do this? Is it possible? If you can do this, now what you can do is you can pick up your phone right now, make a call to your stockbroker, and you can ask him, if I tell you Bank Nifty buy put option now 20,000 strike price, will I be able to trade in options? Yes or no? You ask him. And when you ask him, you'll be surprised to listen to his answer, because his answer will be a big yes. Because they don't care whether you know what is futures, what is options. They don't care whether you are a beginner or an experienced trader. The only thing that they care here is, have you given them the complete information or not? So here you have told them which script, you said Bank Nifty. What to do, you said buy put option. Now which strike price, you said 20,000 strike price. The complete information has been given. Now for you to make a phone call and convey this message over the phone, now how much time is it going to take? It's a matter of 20-30 seconds, isn't it? 30 seconds, you make a phone call, you tell them Bank Nifty buy put option now 20,000 strike price. So they will simply place the order and tell you what price it has been bought. Now after that, just cut the call. Now it is telling you hold put option. At some point here, it will be written as exit put option now. So one more phone call, you tell them Bank Nifty exit put option now. By now, they already know which put option you have bought, so they will simply exit the trade and tell you the price. So another 30 seconds. 30 seconds for an entry, 30 seconds for an exit. And you do this 7 times in a row, it means you have mastered options trading. Now, how will you know that you have mastered options trading? When the public calls you that you are a master, when your stockbroker, when I call you that you are a master of options trading, then of course you are a master. But why will we people call you that you are a master? It is because when you do this 7 times in a row and at the end of 7th time and your account balance is in profit, then anyone and everyone will call you that you are a master of options trading. So the truth here is, gentlemen, it doesn't matter how many books you have read, how many years of experience you have, how much knowledge you have. The one and only thing that matters here is, have you made money or not? If you have made money, you are a master. If you have not made money, you are not a master. Similarly, if you want to master futures trading, in the action, if it is written as buy long act now, one phone call, you tell them Bank Nifty futures, buy long act now. And later, once it tells you sell short act now, one more phone call, tell them Bank Nifty futures, sell short act now. And you do this 7 times in a row, it means you have mastered futures trading as well. Today, you can go talk to any experienced trader or a stockbroker. When it comes to practical trading, this is all that you're supposed to do. So if you people have understood this reality today, it means you have already mastered futures and options trading. But then when I'm saying all these things, some of you may be thinking, do we have to watch it the whole day? No, you don't have to watch it the whole day. Once every 30 minutes, if you can check this action information, that is more than enough. And above that, there is this preparation wherein it will be very clearly written as get ready to buy call option, get ready to buy put option, so that it will you know that what trade you're going to do next, and you can prepare yourself accordingly. At least 15 to 30 minutes in advance, it will prepare you so you can trade in a very relaxed mindset. So these are all the benefits here. This is how this whole intelligence works. But then for this action information to give you an entry or an exit, there are some multiple signals at work in this dynamic live. Now, which are these multiple signals? Let's have a look. There is this intraday 3-speed signal, the long signal, the zigzag breakout, and so on. Similarly, when it comes to exit, there is this intraday 3-speed signal, the major zigzag, the long signal, edge points, and so on. There are so many signals here. But then you may be wondering why there are so many signals. Why can't there be a simple buy or sell signal? It is because, as I told you in the beginning of the session, market conditions keep changing. And in these changing market conditions, for you to get the right entry and right exit, so many signals are required. But today you don't have to worry, because your job is not to follow all these multiple signals. Your job is to just follow this 1, 2, 3 easy steps. So as I promised you in the beginning of the session, today you will learn how to make money in trading in a matter of just 1, 2, 3 easy steps. Now what are these 1, 2, 3 steps? First step, just add your favorite stock or index in dynamic live. Second, check what the Domantic method action information is telling you. Third, whatever it tells you, based on based on that, simply place orders and start making money. So this is how easy it is today. So today, let's go have a look at this dynamic live in a real-time market to understand this 1, 2, 3 easy step. For that, I request any of you to suggest me your favorite stock or index, so that we can see what this dynamic live is telling us to do. First step, for you to add your favorite stock or index, you just have to click on this favorites. Now, once you click on this favorites, the drop down will appear. You can go select any of your favorite stock. Let us say I select, Maruti. Now, here is a case of Maruti. You can see here the action is telling us stay tuned for the next trade. It means there is no trade as of now. Just hold on. And then once it tells you buy put option now or buy call option now, that is when you can go ahead and do the trade. But until then, just wait there. Let us check what's happening in, let us say, Bajaj Finserv. You can see here now it is telling you to hold call option. Some point back it has told you to buy a call option. Somewhere very soon it is about to also give you an exit call option. So once it tells you exit call option now, that is when you can go ahead and exit the trade. Now, this is the case of Infratel. You can see here it is telling you to hold call option. Just some time back, it has told us to buy a call option. The price is still at the entry level itself, and you would have bought a call option. Now, once you have bought, wait until it tells you to exit call option. Now, that is when you can go ahead and exit the trade. So, this is how easy it is today to follow this 1, 2, 3 easy steps. So, today, when you have access to this intelligence, there are some very unique benefits that you can draw as a trader from this. Now, what are these benefits? Let's have a look. From here on, when it comes to taking an entry and exit, there won't be any more confusion, because you know that it gives you the right entry, right exit in a, and you can simply follow it with a complete confidence. And when not to enter, when not to exit, that is also automatically identified. You don't have to worry. And when it comes to trading in options, even the right strike price are automatically selected by this dynamic live. And then the best part here is the preparation. It will prepare you in advance. And finally, the good thing here is the action information, because it will directly tell you what exactly you are supposed to do. So it gives no room for any confusion. With absolute confidence, you will be able to trade. Remember, dynamic live does all the hard work for you. Your job is 100% effortless, because your job is to just place orders. And today, for you to start trading based on this, there is no need of in-depth training. Simple basic training is more than enough. And today, any one of you can implement, even if you are a beginner, experienced trader, working professional, housewife, retired person, students, stockbrokers, any one of you can implement. And remember, all that we want you to do here is just implement it mechanically as it is told. As long as you trade as it is told, then what happens is the end result is also automated. It means money making is automated, gentlemen. This is the reason we call this as a revolutionary invention, because money making is completely automated. Your job is to just follow it. But then when I'm saying all these things, some of you may be thinking, oh, what is the cost? What is the price? But let me tell you, there is no cost or there is no price that one can bear for something precious like this. There is only one thing that you people have come here to do, and that is to decide. You're all here to decide, are you ready to invest today to secure your tomorrow? Are you ready to invest today to secure your financial future? If you're ready to do that, then let me show you what is the investment that you're supposed to make. But then before I show you that, let me also tell you that you are not going to invest some big money. You're going to invest a very small fetch of the profits that you can earn from this dynamic life. But then just by looking at this dynamic live in a video or in a session like this, you'll not be able to judge it. You'll not be able to understand its true benefits. When you touch it, when you feel it, when you open it, run it on the real-time market, when you see the real profits in front of your eyes, that is when you'll realize the true benefits of this dynamic life. That is the day you'll realize what you have been missing all these years when it comes to trading in stock market. So these are all the benefits here. So today, to make sure that all of you can first get your hands on it to understand its true benefits, to make sure every trader can reap the benefits of this dynamic live intelligence. For the first time ever in the last 12 years, the management has come with a very big special offer. Now, what is the offer? Let's have a look. Today, you can get this dynamic live by investing just 8,000 rupees plus GST. But remember, you get this, this is valid for 1 month, and you get this special offer only for your first month subscription. For the first month, for 1 month, you get this at 8,000 rupees, but the original price here is 4,33,000 for 12 months. But today you are getting it at just 8,000 rupees for one entire month, wherein you can touch it, feel it, understand its true benefits, do some trades, make some profits. There are some people who have been requesting us for trial. Now all your request has been answered with this special offer here. Now, there are some of you who may be thinking, now what is next after the first month? Do we have to pay the complete 4,39,000 rupees? No, you don't have to do that. There are many more other special offers coming your way. Now, what are these special offers? Let's have a look. There is this presidential rights where you get the 12 months plan. Instead of investing 4,39,000, today you can invest just 1,23,000 rupees plus GST to get this dynamic life for one entire year. You also get dynamic system free for lifetime. Now, what is this dynamic system? Dynamic system is another intelligent platform which can automatically tell you the right entry and right exit. It will help you to do some amazing positional trades. And the biggest benefit here is it gives you signals and information 1 day in advance, so that those people who don't have time, all that you have to do here is just spend hardly 10 to 15 minutes of your leisure time, and you'll be able to do some amazing positional trade to earn regular profits year after year. So these are all the benefits of dynamic system, and today you are getting it at just you're getting it for free for lifetime, and you're getting almost 71% off for the per month on this particular plan. And there is this privilege rights where you get a 6 months plan at 72,000. You get dynamic life for 6 months. You also get dynamic system free for 1 year. There is a 3 months plan at 42,000. You get dynamic life for 3 months. You also get dynamic system free for 3 months. And at last you have the 1 month plan where you get 16,500. You get dynamic life for 1 month. You also get dynamic system free for 1 month. So these are all the 4 different plans that you can opt for from the second month onwards. But for the first month, you get the special offer wherein you get it at just 8,000 rupees plus GST. So today, if any one of you is interested to jump into this revolution, start trading and start making money, now here is the link that I'm texting on the chat. Just click on the link and go through it, and you will be able to subscribe for the special offer at just 8,000 rupees. Now, once you have subscribed, now what will happen is you will get a mail from the technical team. They will take a remote access of your computer and they will install this dynamic live today itself. And you can also attend an online workshop today at 5 p.m. wherein you will learn things in a bit more detail, so that from very next day you will be able to start trading and start making money. Remember, this training will be hardly for 40 to 60 minutes. Once you go through this training, it means you are ready to start trading in options and futures. So these are all the benefits, gentlemen. So today, if anyone has if anyone is interested, the link is already there for you to subscribe. Just go through it. But if anyone has any other questions or doubts, you can just ask me now. Any other questions or doubts? All right, looks like there are no doubts. So, gentlemen, thank you all for joining today's session. Wish you all a happy trading and a very good afternoon. See you on the other side at 5 p.m. in the online workshop. Until then, good day to all of you. Thank you once again for joining.